Hi guys, it's Med again from the blog. I want to talk about proper braking procedures. It's a misnomer that you could just use your front brake alone. Now it's true that front brakes actually can give you 70% of your braking, but you'll stop even faster if you use both brakes. Get in the habit of using them together. And how do you do that? Progressively squeeze. So if we're riding along, got a flat palm, flat wrist right here in terms of utilizing the throttle. We want to roll off, progressively squeeze. Do not grab the brake because, again, that'll cause you to become unstable. So we want to roll on, roll off, progressively apply your rear brake as well as your front brake. So let's try it one time with the motorcycle on. Right now we're in gear. We're riding. Roll off. Pulling that clutch as you do that. So, get in the habit of, you have to do it from side to side, pulling your clutch, roll off, progressively squeeze. Thanks again.